This is Greg Thompson. I'm president of Youth Theater of Hardin County. Welcome to our first workshop as we are preparing for our 2026 summer production of Shrek the Musical. We're really excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. As you can see, we've got a lot of kids here. We have a lot of brand new ones that are coming this year to join us, and we hope to have some more. Our next workshop will be February 7th, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. right here at the Hardin County Schools Performing Arts Center. Come join us. Hi, my name is Aaron Taylor. I am the director of this summer's Youth Theater of Hardin County production of Shrek. And today is our first workshop, and we're just kind of learning how to move on stage, think on our feet, start to get some characters into our bodies. And that's only one chair, right? This has got to work. We just had it working.
My friend though, too far.
Okay, sounds good. Do it.
Sorry, Taylor. It's okay. Oh no, now I have to make eye contact.
Ah, there you go. There you go. Will's ready for payback.
Will is ready. Yeah, it's ready.
Aha! Not so easy, is it?
Right.
Oh, wow, double move. Joe's like, oh, no wonder they could never catch me. Down. Two in a row open. What's going to happen?
I got you! Get back here. I can't believe you. I hit the chair.
Michael's on the move. Again. Ah, scoot that butt back. No half-seating. Look, he gets up and then just cruises. Yeah, he caught the hood. Did you finally get him?
He finally got me.
About time. Couple more, couple more.
Oh.
What with Taylor? You okay?
Oh, she's small and she's fast. She's like,
That was a double hander.
Oh.
it's fine. I think it's that chair. It's It's the chair. Love you.
Sari will never leave. Or will she? Look at this. We got David versus Goliath over here with Caden and Hot Sauce. I know, right?
Sari! It's the chair. It's the chair.
You're right.
Dude,
Good.
she's like, oh, sorry. Ooh, I thought you were leaving. I'm enjoying this too. I'm not paying.
Taylor's reflexes. Oh, wow. Good move. Dang,
That caught me off guard.
I didn't even know there was a chair back there. You just somehow manifested one.
I just need to be more, it needs to have more dramatic. Sorry, Maggie.
You guys are just letting Michael run this thing. River, don't forget you want to try.
I keep forgetting.
Of course he is.
So stressful.
Miss you. Oh, I'm too fast for you, Kaylee.
She wasn't even looking at you.
Yes, I was.
That's micro expression.
Bond.
Oh! Ah, you rigged a trap.
I saw you.
One more.
Avery's trying to entice me
Maggie with a perfect record. Not up there with River. Sari with a perfect.
Oh my gosh, I already
Oh, I forgot that I have to make eye contact with people.
He did it that time. Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, Brenda.
I'm just kind of rooting for Sari at this point.
Yeah! She got me, but does that count? Give her a chance.
Well, it is Shrek.
I don't think that counts.
Yeah, give her one chance.
Lots of don't count.
Yeah, let's not count it.
Dang.
I didn't even look at you. I didn't look at it. I forgot.
Michael's just got restless legs. Okay, at this point, nice, good. Everybody's getting warmed up a little. Let's move on to another fun game. Here's what I need you to do. Not sitting in a circle, but sit somewhere on stage. And then we need to get rid of extra chairs.
When they make a show into a junior version, they're cutting out like for time. Do you know what I mean? So they'll cut out certain songs and shorten scenes and stuff like that. Okay, here we go. We're gonna listen to the beginning because it's not much.
You
I just
don't
want you
know
to hear
what it's
it.
like to be considered a freak. Well, maybe you do, but that's why we gotta stick together. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. Just hear me out. I might surprise you. I'll be a friend when others despise you. Don't roll your eyes. Stop when the blow ends. You need a pal. My calendar's open. I'll bring you soon when you feel congested. I'll be around when you get arrested. I got your back when things get scary, and I'll shave it when it gets hairy. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. You need me. You need me. I'll treat you right and never act right. If you kill a man, I'll hide the body. What do you say? You're not responding. I think we're bonding.
Okay, let's go over it. I'll bring you soup. Ready, go.
I'll bring you soup. You feel congested. I'll fill you out when you get arrested. I got your back when things get scary, and I'll shave it when it gets hairy. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go.
Yeah, that's syncopated. Okay, go back to measure 26. Ready, go.
Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. You need me. You need me. I'll treat you right. Never act shoddy. If you kill a man, I hide the body. What do you say? You're not responding. I think we're bonding.
Yeah, good. Isn't that one a fun one? The whole song is hilarious. Okay, all right, Dragon. Let's look at that one. So, you will even hear on this, she does a fair amount of ad-libbing, adding riffs in and things like that. I'm okay with that on this part and this part only, okay? Dragon and Dragon only. When we actually do the show, there'll be some I'll let ad-lib for different things, but as far as your audition things, this is the only one I'm gonna allow you to really, like, deviate from what's on the page, okay? So she does a little bit. So let's listen to her, okay? And then we'll go over the notes individually. You know it? Sing out. If you don't, you'll catch on. Ready and go.
Another day inside. I get no rest, I get no sleep. 'Cause when I start to count my sheep, you come around.
Dun, dun, dun.
I draw my shades and lock my doors. Still you come when I ain't yours. Like a hound dog on all fours. Sniff around and around.
Loves Donkey, right?
I'm Carol Zagar. I'm the choreographer for the Youth Theater of Hardin County. Today we are working on Shrek the Musical. I'm doing a piece called Duloc, and then the next piece I'm going to do is Let Your Freak Flag Fly. There we go. All right, that happens 34 times, so head on back. Go back home where you were. All right, he takes one step, back line cross. Go. 1, 2, 3, and slide. 1, 2, 3. Yep. You got it. 1 more counts. Go. Go. You're right. Private. And next row. Go. Excellent. All right. You need to make sure you're spread out. You need to stay right where you are. All right. All right. Then we do. Instead of being robots now, we go to kind of Broadway jazz dancers. So you go cross your right foot, touch your left foot side. Cross, touch, cross, touch. It's a kick ball change instead of a step ball change like we did at the beginning. Kick, back, front, step, slide, in. Now you can use your left foot, cross and touch. Cross, touch, cross, touch, kick, back, front, slide, in. Let's do that much. Start from Farquaad, go back. Everybody cross, go back home. So we're going to do from where Farquaad crosses. Walks down, sorry.
Surprise. Once upon a time, this place was infested. Freaks on every corner. I heard them all.
We all right or no? One more time. Go back. All right.
Terrific surprise. Once upon a time, this place was infested. Freaks on every corner. I had them all arrested.
Alright, chassé ball change. Slow motion. Chassé ball change. You have no weight on your right foot. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, back, front. Let's practice a couple times going both ways. And back, front. 3 little steps. 1, 2, 3, back, front. 1, 2, 3, back, front. You're only going to do 1 after all that. So your arms go out to the side. When you do your ball change, your hands go behind your back. So that is 1, 2, 3, back, front. You don't have to go the other way, but step on your left foot, cross your right foot behind, turn yourself around. Your hands stay behind your back. So that was shot. Say, ball, change, step, cross, turn, around. This is easy. Walk front and touch. So you can walk 3 steps front. 1, 2, 3, touch, back, 2, 3, in a circle. 1, 2, 3, touch, 1, 2, 3, touch. Then you have this. It's a weird phrase here. You put your hands front like stop in the name of love, and sway, and sway. Then flip your right wrist on, and so. Left and so. Now you're going to step on your right foot, turn yourself around. Now I want like dream arms, right? Slow motion. Not a bad dream, a good. So here's where this goes. Let's go from cross touch, cross touch.
Oh, it's you! What a terrific surprise.
Right foot, cross, touch, cross.
This place was infested. Freaks on every corner. I had them all arrested. Hey, Nani, 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 no.
Walk right.
You didn't pass inspection. We all have our standards, but I will have perfection. And so.
workshop. All right, go back too far, go back. What?
And here's the man who made it happen. That towering colossus of honesty.
Oh, it's you!
Cross your right foot,
What a
touch your left
terrific
foot.
surprise! Once upon a time, this place was infested. I had them all arrested. Hey, nonny, 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 no.
Walk
If
right.
you had a quirk, you didn't pass inspection.
Turn yourself
We
around.
all have our standards, but I will have perfection. And so,
All right, now we go.
things are